Hi, I'm Andrew Flushy, your Virginia traffic and misdemeanor defense lawyer. You need to know about some new laws that are coming into effect, especially with school zone camera tickets. So this is a part of my series of videos, which you can check out the playlist on the other new laws that motorists need to know about. But school zone camera tickets and work zone camera tickets, that's going to be a big deal, I think. What the law does is once it takes effect, it's not been signed by the governor yet, but I believe he'll sign it, and it'll likely take effect on July 1st. It allows the state police and local law enforcement to use and set up school zone and work zone speeding cameras. So basically, if you're going, the law says you have to be going 10 miles an hour or more over the limit, and the camera can send you a ticket. There doesn't have to be an officer involved. The officer has to review the footage, I believe is what the law says, but basically they don't have to be out there running the camera. So it'll be like you've seen in maybe other states where you have photo cameras around and they can mail you a ticket, like DC has these. The Virginia statute does require there has to be a conspicuous sign saying that there is a photo camera up ahead, so you at least get some warning about it, and then they mail you a ticket. The fine can be, it's a civil penalty, so it's not technically a traffic infraction, it's a civil penalty. They mail you a bill in the mail and you can pay it. The good thing for motorists is that it doesn't go on your driving record, and it's forbidden to be used for insurance purposes if you just pay the ticket. The other thing is, if it wasn't you driving, you can send in an affidavit saying somebody else was driving, but the way the statute reads is you actually have to give the name and address of the person who was driving. So basically they're going to send the ticket to the registered owner of the car, and then it will be up to you to basically rat out who was driving the car if you don't want to have to pay the ticket. If you don't pay the ticket, I have to review the statute again, but I'm sure there's some kind of collections mechanism where they're going to come after you for the money. So it may be one of those things you pay up. It does, like I said, it doesn't go on your driving record. It's not supposed to be used for insurance purposes. It may be something that an attorney can help you with as well, though, because there's certain rules about how the cameras are supposed to be operated and supposed to be calibrated every 12 months. And so there may be some defenses. This is kind of a new area of law for Virginia, so we'll have to see how this works out and how many tickets are actually issued. Because like I said, it does have to be for 10 miles an hour or more over the limit. So if you've got a 25 mile an hour school zone, you'd have to be going 35 or more to get a ticket from the camera. And hopefully people are generally respecting school zones to begin with. So that's the new law about school zone and work zone speed camera tickets. So just be aware of those, and if you see those signs, it's not a joke. In Virginia, that probably is coming to a school zone near you, because these private party vendors, they're going to be the ones who are going to set this up and I'm sure take a cut of the revenue in exchange for providing the equipment. So some businesses, I would bet, lobbied hard to get this, and they're trying to expand their reach of their camera equipment so they can make money off the backs of motorists, essentially. So this is, like I said, is a series of my videos on new laws that Virginians need to know about. And to conclude the series, we're going to look at the marijuana law. This is not applicable to all motorists, hopefully, but it's something you need to be aware of. And we'll talk about marijuana in the next video.